This is Damask, design 3. This design has been inspired by botanical flowers. We've used a lot of intricate details in this design, like cording work, a lot of pearl detailing, a lot of intricate stitches, sequin work. It's a salmon pink color on a chiffon base. For this design, we're giving side panels to increase the width of your shirt. It comes with border, which is also a lot of floral motifs, with metallic thread work and sequin. This here is a cording border for the shirt, which is also handcrafted, hand touched, with cording work and thread work. The sleeves of this shirt are also embellished and embroidered. They come with a border. There's a lot of detailing on it as well. Overall, this design has a lot of metallic threads used in it.